My electric hot water heater has this plastic drain valve, and when I've had to drain it a few times, it's been pretty difficult to get it closed and shut all the way. And so I think that its lifetime is limited, and before that breaks, I want to replace it with a new metal valve that should work a lot better. So I've already shut off the electricity. I'm going to shut off the water and drain the unit, and then I'll resume the video. As further proof that this needs to be replaced, I broke the handle off trying to open the valve, so I'm gonna have to use pliers. I think that I have the tank mostly empty, so I'm going to disconnect the drain hose I was using here, and then loosen up the old drain valve. Okay, I have this loosened up now. It was actually pretty difficult, and I think adding to that was the fact that this is plastic, so I was trying really hard not to break it off. But I was able to get it here. And I had to take off probably wouldn't have had to, but I took off the cover here, and actually the plastic cap behind the valve to get as much space as I could. And there's the old valve. Okay, and I have wrapped pipe tape on my new valve here, so I'm just going to go ahead and screw it in. I was able to get it cranked around so that the valve, or the drain, excuse me, is pointing toward the drain. And I'll go ahead and finish things up here. Okay, I put the cover back on, so I'm going to turn on the water now and then open up that valve to flush a little bit and make sure it works as intended. It looks good, so I'm going to finish filling the tank and make sure everything holds. The tank is now full and the valve is holding, so I'm going to turn on the power and call this project a success. I'll definitely feel more confident if I ever have to drain this tank in the future, because I won't be concerned about that valve breaking.